tour through our expertise. Most of us have a very personal relationship with railways. As travellers on passenger services, or through the huge volumes of goods that are carried on the freight network 24 hours a day. Railways form the backbone of our transport infrastructure. Rail traffic is on the increase all over the world, but growth is especially strong in Sweden and the other Nordics. Scandinavian Track Group, STG for short, is one of the leading rail contractor and consultants in Scandinavia. We work in a wide range of areas to develop railways and the rail network. You could say that STG is future-proofing railways, creating a firm and sustainable basis for the future development of society as a whole. Our head offices are located in Borlänge, in the province of Dalarna in central Sweden, but we're operational in the whole of Scandinavia, always working closely with owners and operators of railway systems. These owners and operators all have their different needs and requirements as regards maintenance, construction and consultancy services. STG can offer both turnkey contracting and subcontracting, where we can manage everything from project design to the actual completion of the work. Rental of both staff and plant for areas include welding, signals, tracks, power and catenary technicians, machine operatives with road rail machinery. Advisory and consultancy services, such as inspections and safety training. All our staff, of course, have full training in the latest safety regulations, and naturally all take part in annual refresher courses. STG has a very strong common identity that brings together these 5 different business areas, as well as a consultancy company. Track. Track is our biggest business area, covering most of what you can actually see on the railway. Rails, sleepers, points and so on. We do everything from replacing individual track components to constructing complex rail systems. STG are experts at specialty welding too, for rail and track. We put our welders through rigorous training to ensure we can offer welding services of the very highest class. This is why it takes all of 7 years to qualify as a really good welder with STG. Electrical power and catenary. We construct and maintain the catenary that supplies locomotives with power. Within the scope of this business area, we also secure the power supplies that are needed for lighting, power sockets and heating, as well as the power needed for all the signal systems. Signals. Signals technology covers the communications that are essential between the train driver and traffic control. It includes a number of areas such as optical signalling, positioning systems and ATC. Our experienced signals engineers and signals safety controllers ensure smooth functioning. Contracting. STG carries out contracts both independently and together with other companies. These may be tenders requiring one single kind of technology, but they may also be complete contracts for track, power, catenary signal and communications. Our main focus, however, is on small and medium-sized projects. Plant. The plant and machinery used in rail construction and maintenance is subjected to a broad and complex system of regulations. And that's why we've collected all our plant and equipment in a separate business area. Our machine operatives and drivers all have supplementary training to ensure that they can meet the strict safety requirements needed to operate our machinery. ITC consultancy. All our consultants operate in a separate company within the group, ITC. ITC has a unique position in the market as the company is almost exclusively focused on practical consultancy work on railway systems. Examples of this are inspections and certification regarding safety, maintenance, contracting and mergers. As a closely knit group of business areas, together we are well prepared to create the railways of the future in Scandinavia. If you'd like to know more about STG, our areas of competence, and how we future-proof railways, don't hesitate to visit our homepage at www.stggroup.se.